Hi, I am Seema Bhualka. I am in BCom second year and I am an Internshala student partner representing Internshala in our college. Today, I am hosting an Internshala classroom internship talk to tell you all about easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. Also, you will get a link to the attendance tab in the description box which will confirm your participation certificate for this talk. You will also get an exclusive chance to play resume score calculator upon attending the complete talk and filling the attendance tab. As you all are aware of the current scenario that colleges have reopened but students are at home due to the COVID-19 situations. Although students are having online classes, they have a significant amount of spare time at hand, which is a golden opportunity for them. They can utilize this time to earn pocket money and gain experience and explore their interest. You can utilize your time in the best way by applying for part time or work from home internship. Also, you can apply for campus ambassador internships. You can start your journey by applying to internships that are easier to get, like part time and work from home internships. Getting internship for Getting selected for these internships would open doors for you to get the first hand experience and help you get ready for big opportunities. And the best part of doing a campus ambassador internship is that you get to work from the college itself with your own convenience and also get a chance to earn a huge stipend. Now, in a part time internship, you just have to work for 2 to 3 hours a day, which allow you to do the internship without disturbing your online classes schedule. Also, in a part time internship, you can earn pocket money. Who doesn't want to be financially stable in life? Everyone does, right? Doing internship ultimately helps you to be financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to depend on our parents for monthly expenditure. Also, in a part-time internships, you can gain meaningful experience. Doing an internship not only helps you to earn pocket money but also helps you to gain valuable experience. It is like a sneak peek into the corporate world for you before you are actually going out there. Did you know that 5 lakhs plus students got a part-time or work from home internship through Internshala and earn up to INR 1 lakh 20,000? Awesome, right? Wouldn't it be great if you could earn such a cool stipend while in college? Internshala can help you in getting part-time internship. Internshala is the world's number one internship and training platform. Internshala is an internship and online training platform which was founded in 2010 with an intent to create a culture of meaningful internship in the country. At present, over 4 million students look for internship on internshalas offered by more than 80,000 employees in 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing, and graphic design, etc. The best part is Internshala is free of cost for students. Yes, you don't have to pay anything to get an internship. Rather, all internships on Internshala apart from NGO and not for profit organization come with a stipends and a certificate. You can apply to a part-time internship in Internshala in just 3 simple steps. First of all, you have to register on Internshala. And yes, registration is totally free. You must have to create an account as a student and verify it. And then you have to complete your profile. You have to verify your email account. You need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume and filling in your internship profile preferences, and then you just apply for different type of internship and then get hired. After completing your profile, you can continue with applying for internships on Internshala that match your profile and availability. In your Internshala application, you can view the all application status of all the internships on a real time basis. Now let's hear a word from interns who are the part of Internshala who earns a pocket money, and not just pocket money, who also gains a lots of experience while doing internships in Internshalas. Let us see. Here are a few students just like us who not only got financially independent during their internship journey but also gain valuable experience to build their career. Yes, Ujjwal and Nitish both earn INR 15,000 and fulfill their wishes to get a DSLR camera and gift for their parents. I'm sure you all would also want to be in the same list so that you can also buy all the things added to your wish list and also make your parents feel proud. Now, I will host a quick Q&A section. Free feel to ask me any question regarding internship as well as Internshala. Please note that if you have any specific question regarding Internshala, you may find answer to your doubt or queries on our website's help center. After this session, I would request you all to please fill your attendance tab as all the students will receive a special attendance certificate for these talk.